Good afternoon friends, myself Jansari Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today I will teach you in Standard 10 English Grammar. The main topic is direct indirect and this is part 17. In last video I explained you the exercise of optative sentence. So here your all sentences completed. Now in this session or in this video we will show you mixed exercise. See the mixed exercise. First sentence say Neha says, I am happy in my village. So, Neha is a reporter. Now, in this sentence, says word is given. That means present and future tense. So, in this sentence, we have to make changes only in pronoun. There is no changes in tense or there is no any other changes. So, in place of conjunction we have to put that. Now I is used for Neha, so we have to put she. Now along with she we have to put is, because with the subject I we have to put am. Here we don't make was in place of am. So she is happy in her. My is used for Neha, so in her village. Okay friends, these are present and future tense sentence. Now see the second one. The shopkeeper said to the woman, you will get fresh stock tomorrow. So the shopkeeper told, this is assertive sentence, told the woman that. You is used for woman, so she would get fresh stock the next day. Okay, in place of tomorrow we have to put the next day. Now see the next sentence. Malti said to the teacher, someone stole my book from the classroom yesterday. So Malti told the class teacher, the teacher, that. Malti told the teacher that someone had stolen. Simple past to past perfect. Someone had stolen her book from the classroom the previous day. The previous day, or you can write down the day before. Both are the same thing. Now see the third sentence. Sudhir said to his sister, what are you writing in my notebook? So this is interrogative sentence. So Sudhir asked his sister what. This is a question start with the WH, and what is used for the conjunction. What you is used for sister. So what she was writing in his notebook. Okay, so I repeat the answer. Sudhir asked his sister what she was writing in his notebook. Okay friends, so we'll go ahead. The fifth sentence. The father said, Meena, why didn't you get good marks? So this is also interrogative sentence. Father is a reporter and here Meena is a listener. So the father asked Meena why she had not. In place of did not we have to put had not got good marks, because if the sentence is had not then we have to put third form. So we have to put got in place of get. Why she had not got good marks. Okay, Now see the next sentence. Toral said to Jason, if you confess your sins, God will save you. So answer, Toral told. This is an assertive sentence. Toral told Jason that if he confessed his sins, God would save him. Okay, I repeat the answer. Toral told Jason that if he confessed his sins, God would save him. The next sentence. A stitch in time saves nine, said my grandmother to me. So these are true sentence. So reporter is my grandmother. My grandmother told me that. Now there is no changes in RS. So a stitch in time saves 9. Okay friends. Now see the next sentence. The conductor said to me, have you given me the fare? This is interrogative sentence. Subject is conductor, that means reporter. The conductor asked me if I had given him the fare. Okay, so I repeat the answer. The conductor asked me if I had given him the fare. Okay friends, so in the next video I will show you some other example. Thank you very much.